sent his son to redeem the world. Was born of a virgin, called the chosen one. God chose a guardian to watch over his son, who would represent him in life and beyond. Joseph, you are holy, God made you divine. You looked after Mary till the end of time. You watched over Jesus, left no stone undone. You played a meek servant, God's love you have earned, my trust you have won. Joseph, head of the Holy Family, guardian, father and guide of all my dreams. Joseph, head of the Holy Family, guardian, father and guide of all my dreams. You guarded your spouse's heart. You stood by her side right from the start. You were a master of all skillful work. You taught our Redeemer the trace of the earth. Joseph, you have nourished the Savior of man. You held him and loved him, served him till the end. I come to you, Joseph, with my life so cold. Take me to Jesus, guardian of my soul, guardian of my soul.